Zinka pa video ikoi long no jong short base set ta zen tuni hi Nepala ki ho patheni which is on Saturday hi kiwan patheni akaman wahin Saturday patheni the whole day ipitika bol fellowship ngan hilovin what a normal Saturday looks like ki ho yeah so ki ho you can share the so Saturday se le hi ki ho fasting ka hi win in langa patheni an ngol bangma an kingol sighting le khabe vele nasta ho chule kaki orders you hin but ken phat kanei ting le awang zinka mata kizing thoba ken kate tinga ne the ho kasem si hin tuni chowmin kasem go na hin so yeah and chile zinka devotion kitchen ma chu devotion ken kate nam bolun Kechule make art because pungge leki or fasting prayer church has okipan pai this ya ke kaki knows it ngai hin so I'm there and I'm there cooking while my family is reading the word of God. So ni ho chowmin hon ban first chowmin hona ne cha cha thin ho hi ken ka lu lo cho so ki hon wang hi chi alin ho hi kaman ji wa hin thin ho zang hi wang and I like this thicker ones the bigger ones so yeah first tui ki boila and then we add those chowmin jang min ta vegetables also all cut you can see all the vegetables bana kabol size over to ake fasting prayer as out nothing kaki got saita I'm almost ready for church but yeah so to I fasting prayer because out there Chongkhat prayer ki zawa pung somle ke main service ki pan masan senior Sunday school jong ka bolu hin to ahi hoin ki sa laita hi se ahi Sunday school senior ding class lo se ke hoina ka room wa hi Sunday school run ka bolu hin khabe ken ka bolu hin khabe kan na so this is the senior Sunday school of Bethel Church. So today the lesson was about yeah. So it's how many of you think that Vangam zone koi yeah, that's the question I asked and I was very happy to see a thumbs on they raised their hands.
Amen. Amos tapai chai chirनुहुन्छ Noah tim chai साच्चै छिर्नुहुन्छ स्वर्गमा आमेन सौगात तिमी छिर्नुहुन्छ साच्चै छिर्नुहुन्छ अनि यहाँ अबिगेल छिर्नुहुन्छ रोदा चाहिँ जेनिसा के भन्छ ल आमेन है
Now Sunday school ki hen chai tengle 10:30 ding pung ki wat na lai hichika hi gang chela ka chaw hi Izad ki fries ho them ka fry pan kita. So these are our items. This is it.
Wanita, jawab umidita.
show me. Okay. And here are all the ingredients. And then what else? So this is cabbage. Right? And we've got ten 30 main service ki pa nahi tan kakin no valzia masa ka record the talo ale tu ni chana video follow ka vlog ma follow bol hon he ti wahin ichi video masa ka na upload la chu hoin ki phila thu ka sayin ale tua ka khop no hi temporary church ahin ichi bible college to Pathen church dining hall a ka sem wahin so ichi dining hall hi main building ki side to ka hi laya ka ki khop sino hi chowmin chu min hitan kan ni lai ta wang ka vlog ta lo busy chu ki gil wala phone zone ki vietalo and my family said it was very tasty adu thega so hitti hin Pathen ni hi such a blessed day chol wangin na. Thank you, Luku, my kanal pa Neopen pa for the massage, and thank you so much for watching.